this tree fell from Hurricane Beryl right across Shortwood Road. So I just drove past and saw the guys cutting it out. So I just came and took a few pieces. Don't get a lot of sweet wood.
They use sweet wood for jerk, right?
Yes, but it also makes furniture too.
Okay.
This is my first sweet wood that I've ever picked up. They're not, you don't see a lot of them.
How old is this tree, do you know?
I would imagine very old.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you can see from where it fell off, if you look. I didn't look, but if it's hollow, it's probably old.
Okay.
Yeah. It's a little ironic because I'm self-taught. I've only been doing this now for 9 years. And a lot of times I don't get the trees until they come down. So I don't see the leaves, I don't see the bark, I don't see a lot of them. So I've learned to look at the actual grain pattern and I can tell you what wood that is. But when the tree is up, I'm like, I can't tell if that's a cedar or a maho or a, because I never really see them like that. And it's not something I studied. What I do a lot is if you have a tree that has to come down for a legitimate reason, like it's damaging the infrastructure of the building or it's getting into the pit or it's interfering with the perimeter wall and it has to come down, then I will go and I will cut it and remove it at my expense.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes. But it has to be a legitimate reason. It can't just be that the mangoes are falling on the tree, or you want it cut down because it's hard to see it or it's in the way. A mango makes the best furniture.
Okay, really?
It does, and nobody knows this. And you have so much mango trees. You'll never go to a lumber yard and find mango wood, right? But it really, truly makes the best furniture.
Okay.
And the grains are stunning, beautiful.